This video is about industrial style. Industrial decor is inspired by factories and warehouses. I would like to share it with you guys from where it actually originates. When mostly all the Western European factories shut down after the Second Industrial Revolution, it left many large vacant buildings behind. Due to continuous increase in the population, people started converting those industrial areas into residential buildings. Typically, industrial design is associated with large spaces having high ceiling, robust natural lights, and exposed structural material. These days, at many restaurants and pubs, you will find this particular decor. For example, exposed bricks, concrete or wooden floors, big sofas, bright and bold colors, and freestanding floor lamps. Industrial design became popular in the 1990s as many major cities centers started enjoying a refurbishment by converting old manufacturing facilities and warehouses into condos and multi-unit residential buildings. Instead of covering up or removing all the remnants of the space, such as brick walls, exposed pipes, electrical wires, and putting in interior walls, developers created large, open unit preserving the old floors, walls, and keeping much of the pipes and wiring and beams exposed, resulting in what is known as industrial home decor. Key elements: raw and unfinished look, mix of grays and neutrals and rustic colors, utilitarian objects, large sectionals, antique or light fixtures with metal finishes, use of vintage and olfactory and laboratory pieces, wood and metal surfaces, concrete flooring.